Hi, I'm Nicole Brand with Nicole Brand Realty Group. Welcome to our newest listing in Kitchener, located in the desirable location of Huron Park. Let's go for a tour. This former Hawksview model home has over 200,000 in upgrades throughout and offers an impressive open concept floor plan. Featuring gourmet kitchen, living room with gas fireplace and built-in cabinetry, and 12 feet wide sliding glass panel doors for you to bring your lovely indoor space out. The second level features an upper family room, which is bright and airy. Along with 3 bedrooms, including your master bedroom retreat. With walk-in closet, double vanity in the ensuite, and large glass shower. And of course, let's not forget the fully finished basement with large walk-up windows and your 4th full bathroom. Thank you for touring this lovely home with me. For more information, give me a call. I'm Nicole Brand, the unique brand you can trust.